Hey, welcome to Strange Learnings. You know how to scan ports, right? You know how to look for an IP address from a URL. But do you know how it works? Or if you had any willing desire to learn how these tools can be created? If yes, you are at the right place. We are starting this series in which we are going to talk about creating our own penetration testing tools. Or in more fancy words, we are going to learn how to create our own hacking tools and use them. This is a short disclaimer. This video series is for educational purposes only. Don't try this on anyone without their consent or permission. If you do so, Strange Learning is not responsible for any of your deeds that you do. Now, the requirements for this series are the basic understanding of Python. You need to know about loops, including for, while, and all the type of loops. You need to know how to import modules and use functions, how to use the defined classes in any of the modules that we import. That's all the requirement for this series, and hopefully you will enjoy this series. And if you have anything or any tool that you want to learn how to create them, you can do tell me in the comments, and I will focus on those projects if it's interesting, obviously. So hopefully you will enjoy this series, and if you want to get notified about the videos on this series, make sure you do subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post the videos. And also make sure to share this video with your friends so that they can also learn more about hacking tools. Thank you for watching and stay connected and keep learning.